Welcome back to our French country remodel. If y'all have been following along in the last few videos, y'all are seeing the progress that we're making on two areas of our home. This is our laundry room and our guest bathroom. We've got some brown tile going on. We've got some gray walls. We've got a really dingy looking ceiling. So we are going to try to transform these two rooms, and I have brought y'all along in each week and showed y'all the progress that we've made and some updates that we have gotten implemented. So this is the flooring that was in the laundry room. It is peel and stick tile, and then we have ceramic tile in our guest bathroom. But you can see we've got a lot of gray and a lot of brown. This is my inspiration right here. I want some beautiful flooring. I want to go with a darker cabinet style and just refresh this room and give it more of a French country look. We started out with these ugly bathroom cabinets. I'd already painted them white and gave them an update a few years ago, but they need to be refreshed. We gave them a beautiful coat of some Wilmington gray paint and really fixed those cabinets up. We removed the ceramic tile in the guest bathroom, and we also took down this large outdated mirror. I took y'all along to Home Depot where I picked out the paint that I want to go in these two rooms. I picked this one and I thought it would be absolutely perfect, and it's antique white. I put it up against a color that matched the bathroom cabinets just to make sure that my colors would coordinate, and I think they will. So then we went over and I showed y'all the tile that we picked out. It is at Home Depot, and I showed y'all it is a peel and stick tile. We're going to put that in both rooms, and we're going to go with more of a marble inspired look, because I want to get that black and white, and I want to, go with what I showed y'all in my inspiration pictures. So we are going to install that flooring, and it's really easy. So if you're looking for something easy and budget friendly, I highly recommend the peel and stick tile. In the last week's video, I showed y'all how we got the guest bathroom painted, and we also got the new flooring down. This right here is looking so good so far. So we are making progress each weekend as we have time to work on this space. We also installed a brand new toilet, and thanks to all of y'all gave us some great suggestions and tips on new toilets. So we are really enjoying this one so far. It has worked out really well. It is the taller version, and it also has a soft closure lid. I'm going to show you in today's video of how we took down this shower curtain rod, and we are going to reuse it. No sense to go out and buy something new when we can update this one and make it work. In the previous video, we also started working on the laundry room. So Ben started taking up the trim and the flooring. So he started putting down the flooring, and we started over where our refrigerator is. He's going to do that area first. He's going to paint, put down the flooring in that area, move the refrigerator back, and then we will start on the other area where the washer and the dryer and the hot water heater are. And I'll show you all that progress in today's video. Something else that I showed y'all in previous videos is how budget friendly you can refresh your hardware on your doors throughout your home. This is a detail a lot of people will miss, but it's such an easy way you can refresh and really add some different details to your rooms. Just adding some new hardware to your doors. Just your doorknobs, you can replace those. You can do black, you can do the rubbed bronze. You could also take these out and spray paint them. But I showed y'all in a previous video of how so far we took the doors off in the guest bathroom, and we're going to replace the doorknobs, and also we got the hinges replaced. I think the oil rubbed bronze is going to be a lot prettier than that rusted gold. Now that we've had a recap of the previous videos and things that we've already gotten done, today's video I'm going to show y'all some more progress that we've made, and I think y'all are going to be excited about it. I know I am. We are actually seeing this journey through. We still have some details to implement and some things to go shop for, but it is just a work in progress. I told y'all Ben works a full-time job now, so we just have to, really some time on the weekends to work on this. But this is where we are so far. So in today's video, I'm going to take up where we left off. We are going to work on the laundry room some more. We're going to paint, and we're going to get some more flooring done. We're also going to replace the light fixture in the bathroom. The light fixture in this bathroom has been up since the home was originally built. We have painted it throughout the years to give it an update, but now we need a brand new one. So I'll bring y'all along today and show y'all the light fixture, which one we picked out, and I'll show you how we installed it, and I'll also show you some beautiful cabinet hardware that I just received from Amazon. Now we're going to work on the area over by our washer and dryer. The first thing we want to do is we want to remove this DIY that I did to camouflage our water heater. When we first moved in the home a few years ago, I picked these up at a yard sale. There were 3 of them, so I picked them up. I think I paid $5 each. We put some hinges on the back, we painted them, and it made a great partition or screen for our hot water heater. So Ben just moved out the washing machine, and we're going to start in this area first. We're just going to remove some of the old flooring, and it comes up really easy. He just gets his putty knife, he works it under there, and most of these pieces will just come up in whole pieces. Once he gets the floor removed in this area, he will start doing some of the trim work on the paint, because he also wants to get paint on the wall in this area and also the flooring down before he moves back the washing machine. He goes around and does all the trim work with his brush first, but look what a difference it's already making in this room. And y'all, painting the ceiling the same color as the wall, it made a huge difference too. So if you are contemplating painting your ceiling the same color as the color you put on your walls, you know, especially if it's a light color, I highly recommend it, because it's a great way that you can refresh your ceiling color and also your walls. Once Ben got all the painting done over here where the washing machine is, he is now going to go in, he's going to finish up the flooring so he can move the washing machine back in, and then he will tackle the dryer area. Now the area where the washing machine goes is finished. He's got it painted and he's got the flooring down. So now we're going to move the washing machine back into place. We have contemplating going out and buying a new washer and a new dryer. These right here still work. They work great. They're actually, you know, really old models. But to me, I can't decide if I want to go buy new ones because, you know, they're probably prettier. But these, like I say, these work fine in their older models, so they may actually even work better than newer models. So y'all let me know if y'all have any suggestions on newer model washer and dryers that you love. Please leave your comments down below. So now he has moved the dryer out and he's going to work in this area. He's going to get all the painting done over in this area, remove the old flooring, and put down the new flooring. Once he gets this area back into place, we'll move the dryer back and this area will be done. This right here was just a huge relief to get this done, because moving out these large appliances are not fun, especially when you're working in a small area. So we just had to work, like I say, in sections. Now that he's got it all, you know, painted and the flooring down, now he's going to put the partition back around the hot water heater. And now we will begin to work on the area over at the refrigerator. So now here is the area where our refrigerator is. And yes, our refrigerator is in our laundry room. The way our home was built, there was no room for a refrigerator in the small kitchen, so we opted to put it in the laundry room. It's not far from the kitchen, it's just a few steps around the corner. But Ben just goes around now and he's going to prep all the walls. He's going to go in and fill in any nail holes that we have or any rough spots using some spackle, and then he'll sand those down. Then he'll go over with a damp rag and he's going to go over and wipe down the walls, the baseboards, and the ceiling before he begins to paint. Also in our laundry room is our attic door. We do have an attic. It's so small though, you can't really get in there. There's not really any room in there to stand up, but it is an area above our home that you can use for some storage, and also our central unit is located up there. Once Ben got this area painted and we're waiting for the paint to dry to move on and do other things, we're going to go in the bathroom and we are going to install this 3-light vanity fixture. So the first thing we want to do is just remove the old light fixture. This light fixture was silver back in the day and we painted it white. But now it is time for it to go. It has seen its day, it has served us well, but now we're going to put up this beautiful new one. We hope to replace the faucet, and if we do, I am going to go with more of that oil rubbed bronze. So that is the light fixture color that I wanted to go with. I don't want to put a lot of, you know, the antique gold in the bathroom. I do want some touches of that, but I don't want to put a lot throughout the bathroom because I feel like it could go outdated at some point. And I feel like this bronze, to me, is timeless, that or black. But here is the beautiful hardware that we got. I ordered these from Amazon. I got the knobs to match. These are the handles. So I just got Ben to go in. He did have to cut the screws down because they give you two sets of screws. They give you a shorter one and a longer one. The shorter ones were too short and the longer ones were too long. But he did cut those down, made them work, and now he put on all the hardware on the cabinets, and I think they are absolutely beautiful. These are very nice quality door handles. They have such a good feel to them, but I think it just gives the cabinet a very elegant look. Another thing I worked on this week was the shower curtain rod. I showed you on last week's video of how we took this one down. We figured out how you can take it down. So instead of going out and buying a new one, I'm just going to reuse this one. So Ben removed it, and then I'm going to take it outside, and I'm going to show you how you can easily spray paint it and we can reuse it. Now this right here, I tried to put some bronze rub and buff on it so I wouldn't have to take it down, but the rub and buff just did not work. I got some alcohol in a rag, and I removed that rub and buff that I had put on it. I went over it and I spray painted both of the rods with a couple of coats of some Rust-Oleum bronze spray paint. I went over the rods probably 2 or 3 times, but I let the paint thoroughly dry before I sprayed another layer. Once all the paint dries and you get the desired consistency that you need on your rods, then I went over them with a clear sealer to avoid any chipping. I went to Hobby Lobby, and y'all, if you're ever looking for a good selection for shower curtains, check Hobby Lobby. And if you go on the week that they are half off, that is even better. The week I was there was a lot of things that I did need that were half off, but the shower curtains weren't. But I think I'm going to go with this one. This is a beautiful gray. I love the texture of this shower curtain, and I think it will match the bathroom cabinets really well. I love the way this one is made, and like I say, I love the texture. It is $22.99, so I don't think that's bad for a shower curtain. And I also considered this one. I thought it had a lot of the grays in it that were in my bathroom, but I thought that design may be a little bit too busy. So I ended up going with the solid charcoal gray, and I'm glad I did because I got it home and I absolutely love it. So I can't wait for y'all to see it. Across from the shower curtains in Hobby Lobby in the bathroom aisle, they have some beautiful artwork. I looked at a lot of this. None of this was on sale the day that I went, but it was really pretty. I did want to check out the mirrors that they have since I had to take the one that I got at Lowe's back because I wasn't happy with the size. I was really impressed with the selection of mirrors at Hobby Lobby. They had all sizes and shapes and colors. Their mirrors every other week are also half off. So y'all, I did get a mirror. So y'all come back next week and I'll show you the mirror that I did get. And I'll show you the shower curtain that's put up. When I got home, I found this piece in my supplies that I got at a thrift store. So instead of putting open shelving over the toilet, I'm thinking about putting this piece of artwork up because it looks a little French country to me. So y'all leave me a comment. Let me know what your opinion is on that. I did start scraping the paint off the countertop, and let me tell you, this was a job. This took me about 6 hours, and this was a labor of love. I actually hurt my back doing this. So just FYI, sometimes when your body tells you to stop, just stop. I didn't want to give up. I was almost finished, but scraping paint off of tile is not a fun process. So y'all make sure to come back next week, and I'll show you some more progress we've made, some more details we've added, and y'all, we are at the finish line. So I hope y'all enjoyed seeing all the details and the progress that we made this week, and I hope to see y'all again back next week for a whole new video.